welcome to the November Take and Make Adult Craft. If you've picked up your craft kit from the library, you will know that we are making fall napkin rings this month. In your craft kit, you will have received 4 2-inch grapevine wreaths, and a variety of different silk fall leaves. There are a variety of different colors, and you'll have enough to make 4 napkin rings. Some materials that you're going to need to round up on your own is hot glue. I've tried doing it with craft glue. It just doesn't work that well. Hot glue is really the best way to make the leaves stick to the grapevine wreath. You can find hot glue guns, in craft stores, online, a variety of different places, and they really, a small one like this is not that expensive. So it's not a bad purchase to make. It can really help you out with a variety of different things around your house. So to get started, all you have to do, it'll take approximately 6 silk leaves to go around the ring. I've given you, like I said, a variety of different colors. I'm going to mix and match all of the colors on my ring, on one ring. If you really wanted, you could, mix those colors up however you like. But to quickly show you, I just take the ring, take a leaf. I also, before I get started with the hot glue, these hot pink things here are silicone finger protectors. And as someone who has burnt myself with hot glue a number of times, these come in very handy. They're nice because they keep you from burning yourself, but also if glue does get stuck to them, it just peels right off once it dries. I bought these, I think, at the dollar store for $1. But if you don't have these, just be very careful with the hot glue. It might be a good idea to, have a stick or something to hold the leaf down so you're, while the glue adheres, so you're not using your bare finger. I don't want you to get burnt. So I just played around and I found the best way to do this is to put the leaf, glue it onto the ring sideways. You can try doing it the other way if you like. It really is just personal preference and how you want it to look. But and you can place the leaves on there a variety of different ways to make it more interesting looking. But really your goal is to just go all the way around the grapevine ring and cover it as much as possible and show the leaves too. I've had my glue gun heating up, so it should be ready to go. And I find that it works best to put the glue on the grapevine itself. Then that way I can go back and hold it down and get it to stick. Yeah, this is really hot, so be careful. And you are going to have to just, keep adding glue in spots and, playing with it to get it to stick and stay and look, how you want it to look. The hot glue does take, especially because you're curling it around something, it's going to take a minute or so harden to where it's going to stay. And sometimes I don't actually put the fingertip protector on my fingertip. I just use it to push down whatever I'm hot gluing, but it's the same idea. So as you can see, I've just done one leaf on here, and you can continue to do that around the ring. And I have a finished one here. As you can see, I've put it around a cloth napkin. I mean, you can use paper napkins too, whatever your preference is. But when you're finished, it will look something like this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our November Take and Make, and be sure to check back in December. We'll have another Take and Make for all of you for the holidays. So thanks for watching. Bye.